Sometimes life pushes us to a point where everything feels broken. Dreams remain unfulfilled, people mock us, and we even lose faith in ourselves. In those dark moments, it feels like the journey has ended. But the truth is, falling is a part of life. Staying down is a choice. What really matters is not how many times you fail, but how many times you rise again. Every great person you admire has fallen at some point. Think about MS Dhoni. He was rejected in the early stages of his cricket career, yet he never gave up. Amitabh Bachchan was rejected multiple times, even told that his voice was not suitable for films. But what happened? That very voice became his greatest strength. This is the true power of a comeback. A comeback begins the moment you forgive yourself. Carrying the weight of past mistakes will never let you move forward. The day you say to yourself, "Yes, I failed, but I will rise again," that's the day your comeback begins. Remember, a comeback doesn't start with giant leaps. It starts with small steps. Consistency, not speed, builds the foundation of your return. People will always have something to say. When you're down, they'll say, "He can't do anything." But when you rise again, the very same people will say, "Unbelievable, he did it." That's why your fight should never be with the world. It should be with yourself. Defeat that inner voice that whispers, "You can't do it anymore." The world is full of stories where people could have given up, but they chose to fight back. Sachin Tendulkar came back stronger every time injuries tried to end his career. Mary Kom stepped back from the boxing ring to become a mother, but then returned to win championships again. And Sylvester Stallone, the man behind Rocky, was rejected more than 1,000 times, but he wrote his own story and turned rejection into victory. All of them prove one thing: comebacks are always possible. So, if today you feel broken, if life has pushed you to the ground, remember, this is not the end of your story. This is the beginning of a new chapter. The world often forgets those who fall, but it never forgets those who rise again. Stand up, leave your fears behind, and start your comeback today. Because losing may not always be your choice, but making a comeback, that is always in your hands.